Hi, so today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to block followers on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and download the Strava application if you don't have it already downloaded into your phone. Of course, if you have it, this will be great. If you don't, you'll need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll have to go and open this Strava application, and of course if it's your first time they'll actually ask you to log in into your account, so make sure to log in into it if you have already an account. If you don't, you'll have to go and create an account by the three options that they will give you. They will give you the Facebook option, the Google option, and the email option. Choose whatever suits you to create your account, and once you created your account or you have logged in into your account, you'll normally find yourself here at this home screen or at this main page of the Strava application. And here you'll normally find your posts. You can actually upload some, edit, or even delete. Choose whatever you want to do here. But what we'd like to show you is how to block followers, not flowers, sorry. So of course, you can just go here to you at the bottom right corner. And if you find yourself on progress or activities, make sure to click on this profile option. And here you'll find your following and followers. For me, I have 0 followers, but for you, will have just to click on followers and click on the user that you want to block. So, of course, let's pretend I'm just going to show you from another user. So, you go here to followers, choose the user that you want to block, and once you are at his account or profile, let me show you here in this clubs. Let me just go to a random person here. Let's say this one. Click on his profile, and as you can see, we are at his profile now. So once you click on your follower profile, if you want to block him, you can just go at the top right corner option and click at the 3 dots and then click at block this athlete or user. And as you can see, blocking athletes, well, you can read all of those if you want, and block the athletes if you want, and you will be good to go. Of course, if you want to unblock, you can just go and click on this and unblock, and you'll be good to go again. So that's will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.